Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy, my channel's Finding Value, and hopefully you're interested in talking about uranium. So I'm going to talk about uranium. It's about uranium money flows. I'm going to show you how much, basically the volume of URNM and URA, the ETFs. Money is flowing into these things like mad. So I thought it'd be a smart idea just to look to see what these funds actually hold and where the money is going. Because if URNM and URA is the gateway for the majority of people to invest in this sector, let's see what the top holdings are of those ETFs to see where the money's flowing in mass, or if the companies that you guys like are in the ETFs at all. So let's look at the ETFs and money flows for uranium. So uranium money flows, again, money flows increase share prices. Huge money flows are going into ETFs, URNM and URA. I say, look at the volumes. They are pretty incredible. Let's see the companies that are in these ETFs as money will flow into whatever is in the ETF. Again, this is financial education only. I'm not trying to say anything about what anybody should be buying. So I'm just looking at the ETFs and what they hold. So first, I'm just going to show you the volumes here. Here's URNM. The volume are these candlesticks here. And you can see the volume is kicking way up on this basically late December 2020 and onward. Big, huge volumes. Money is moving into this sector quite substantially. When looking at URA, it's been open a little bit longer. You can see that the volumes kicked up in 2017, 2018. They accumulated pretty hard here. And you can see that this guy bottomed in 2017, 2018. It's been trying to bottom here. And the volume really kicked up in 2021. So we've got volume accumulating all of these shares in these ETFs. So what is in the ETFs? Let's take a look. I did URNM first. So this is URNM. And here's the holdings. This is the percent that the uranium holds, or the fund holds, and the shares and market value and the ticker symbol. So Cameco, Kazatomprom, big money's going there. Uranium Participation Corp, which is the physical. Same with Yellowcake, that's physical there for URNM. Then we go into our smaller kind of mining companies at smaller stakes. They hold this in 5% stakes. Paladin and NextGen, so the money's flowing into those. Denison Mines, Energy Fuels, Uranium Energy Corp. These are the United States. They're in the United States. We have CGM Mining in China. Global Atomic Corp in Africa. Uranium Royalty Corp. That's a royalty company. And it's mostly, I think, in America, a lot of the holdings they have. UR Energy, Fission Uranium Corp up in Canada. Boss Energy in Australia. ISO Energy, which is in Canada. Deep Yellow in Africa. I do like this company quite a bit. They've got 1.5%. So Encore Energy, my two favorites right back to back. Oh, I like Bannerman too, out in Africa. UEX Corporation, which is a developer / exploration company. That's 1% up in Canada. This is continued with URNM. Lotus Resources, this might be a nice one to pick up here. Lotus, Fortis Metals in Africa. I don't know much about Berkeley Energia. It's probably down in South America or something. It's LN. Western Uranium and Vanadium. Got some money going in there. Peninsula Energy. I know this is a favorite amongst lots on the channel. Goviax Uranium. I like that one. Appia Energy. I like that one quite a bit. Mega Uranium. Sky Harbor Resources, which is more of an exploration company. Vimy. Canalaska. International Consolidated, Laramide Resources in United States, Azarga Uranium Corp, Toro Energy, and American Lithium Corp, which was probably, which is now zero. This is probably Plateau, because they bought Plateau, and then a little bit in cash. URA, we'll look at the big holders in URA. So this is URA's. Camgo and Kazatomprom, that's where it's going. I don't see a percent. Oh, here it is. Percent assets. They're putting 24% of their assets in Cameco. Wow. 22% roughly in Kazatomprom. Then we've got almost 6% in NextGen, Denison's, Energy fuels. And then I don't know what these are. Doosan Heavy Industries, Paladin Energy, Uranium Participation Corp, Uranium Energy Corp. And these guys are kind of diversified, I think. Mining companies all here. I don't know what Acon Group is. GS Engineering, BHP Group. I do like that one. Sumitomo. I don't know how to say that. Mitsubishi Heavy. Global Atomic. I do like them, like that. CGN Power, Yellowcake, Samsung. We've got UR Energy, Fission Uranium, Centrus Energy, and Encore Energy Corp. So Encore made it in both. So did Fission. So did Global Atomic, of the smaller companies. NextGen was a pretty big holding in both of them. So you're probably going to see, when looking at this stuff, I think you're going to see heavy money flows into the ones that are in both of these ETFs. Because if money's coming in and it's going into either one of these ETFs, it's going to flow into these companies. So again, it's good that your companies are in here, but it might not be bad if they're not in there, because they might be lagging the market. And if they're lagging the market in some of these small uranium exploration companies, potentially the money hasn't piled into it yet. You know, that's what we're seeing. We're seeing them down a little bit. They're lagging. And when the market really takes off, I think money's going to come in kind of indiscriminately. It's going to come into these ETFs. It's definitely going to these companies. And then money's going to start to look for laggards, just like I do. And then they're going to start finding these pure point uraniums, baseload, all these exploration companies that they're going to eventually, I think, hit up. So a strategy could be, you know, get some of these that are in it, get some that are out of it, and just hold on. At least that's my strategy. And then just hold on. We'll see if the money continues to flow in here. I think it will. And everyone's going to benefit that's in these. All those companies are going to benefit that are in these ETFs. If you guys like this presentation, give me a thumbs up. Leave comments below if you guys have any comments. And thank you for listening. This is Finding Value.